Now, finance ministers from the group of 8 industrialized nations have concluded their meeting in the Italian city of Lecce. They agreed that stability was returning to their economies, but that it's too early to speak of a substantial recovery from the credit crisis. Wang Guan has more.
In the joint statement, ministers said they were encouraged by signs of stabilization. Specifically, they mentioned the recovering stock markets and growing business and consumer confidence. They have started to consider ways to unwind economic rescue measures once a recovery is certain.
We have substantively agreed on 2 things: to launch an exit strategy once we have verified the end of the initial phase of the crisis, and to give the IMF a mandate to define a strategic framework for these exit policies.
The exit strategies from loose monetary and fiscal measures like lowering interest rates and tax cuts were believed to be essential to promote a sustainable recovery. But some ministers cautioned against showing too much confidence. To stimulate economic growth, they said, should still be the focus.
These early signs of improvement are encouraging, but the global economy is still operating well below potential, and we still face very acute challenges. It's too early to shift towards policy restraint.
While the ministers were trying to reach a consensus in the meeting room, demonstrators outside marched to the city center and protested the gathering. They argued the wealth should be redistributed to the world's poor rather than the troubled banks. Wang Guan, CCTV.